Right, hello there guys, welcome back to a new video. Excuse the screaming kid in the background, I don't know what's happening, they're probably getting stabbed, I don't know. Anyway, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are back with a Fiesta, and as you can see we do have bits in the back. They are new seats, they're half leather seats from a ZETEC S to replace the style seats. So we're going to get cracking with trying to get them fitted. But yeah, so that's going to be what we're going to do today. Right, so it's been a while since I last filmed the intro. So these are the seats, half leather ZETEC S seats. We do have the handles to go in, these have just been put in, because obviously I'm breaking another car at the moment. So these have just been put in from that, because currently they're just cable tied. We can't seem to find the other one, she's in there looking. But yeah, to undo it, you need a big, and I mean a big, I think it's posi drive, and then there's 2 bolts up the front, I think there's 2 bolts up the back, and then it should break free. So that's what I'm doing at the moment, is just loosening these off. So I'm going to crack on, I'm going to get these bolts undone and get the seat out of the car. Alright, so I've done all 4 of the bolts on the seat. She's now trying to find the electric connector for the SRS system. You might need to use a flathead to pry it out, possibly. But yeah, it's quite simple. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and then you get to this sort of stage. She's just going to go off and find the tools. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump out of here quickly, if I can. Right. If I come around here, excuse the mess in here. Hasn't been tidied in a while. Under here, somewhere, yep. There is an electrical connector that just needs to pop off. Got a tool? Got in. Right. Is it out? Hey?
I just broke it.
How have you broke it? Right, I'm going to stop recording. Right, after much kerfuffling, we have now got the connector out, so now it's time to pull the seat out. So I'm going to put the camera, I still don't have a bloody tripod, but I'm going to put the camera down and do that quickly. Right, the first one's finally in. She's just doing up the last bolts now, and such a difference in comparison to the old ones. There's the old one over there. There you go, look, for comparison's sake, they look banging. So yeah, she's going to finish getting them ones tightened up, and then we're going to take the other ones out. Right, it's got incredibly dark because we ended up rounding off the tool that we was using, but the new seats are now in, and I've got one happy person over there. She's hiding behind the camera. Yeah, all in, all plugged in. There's no airbag light either, so great success. Right, so it's actually been, I'd say, around about 2 to 3 weeks since the last footage you saw in this video. So just a quick rundown of what happened. Obviously, as you could tell, it got very dark. Couldn't really see much. Both the seats are now in. And yeah, so basically for me to remove the seats, I was actually using the wrong tool, which I sort of wasn't aware of. And the reason why I say that is because I could tell that the tool was ever so slightly too small, but it worked. And I didn't realise that you had to have some sort of like special bolt, sort of like bolt head thing. So I didn't know that, and I ended up rounding off my own tool. So I had to wait for my mate to come with the correct tool, and basically finish the job off for us. But yeah, both the seats are in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop out of the car, because at the moment I'm in the car. I'm going to hop out of the car and I'm going to quickly show you them. So here they are, all done. The ZETEC S half leather seats. And I do have to say, they do look, ouch, there's a door frame there, they do look really good. So yeah, I'll show you the other side. There's like next to no wear on these seats at all. Like, look how clean they are. They're a bit grubby, could do with a bit of a clean, but other than that, they're alright, I suppose. Here's the other side, literally like no wear on them at all. I don't even know how many miles were on the car that these seats were off of, but the car did look like a right donkey when we turned up to grab them. But yeah, so there are the lovely seats. I really can't remember what else had gone on in the previous section of videos, to be fair. But what I'll do is I'll hop back in the car and I'll outro the video quickly. Right, so yeah, as I said, I can't really remember what else went on in the video. I haven't watched the rest of the footage back, but yeah, I knew I had to finish this video, and I knew that the last thing to do was to actually show off the seats. They look banging. Like I said, they are a bit dirty. They're not too bad, but they are a bit dirty, so they could probably benefit from a clean at some point. But other than that, they are sick. They're a lot more bucketed as well, and they hold you actually really well. They hold you better than the flipping Yaris T-Sport seats do. So yeah, they're really nice seats. I quite like them. But yeah, I'm going to outro the video here. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe out there.